Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from and when you're watching this video. It's a boy, El Zenito. And now I still on ChatGPT, right? I noticed something you can do on ChatGPT which is very crazy. And at some point they need to find a way to, when they say still like an artist, ChatGPT can still not just like an artist but actually replicate exactly what the artist has done. Now let me show you something. Let's go to ChatGPT, right? So I downloaded this poster on Pinterest. I love the poster. It looks nice. It looks good, right? Normally as a designer, you're able to create this on Photoshop, right? It shouldn't give you so much stress on Photoshop. But let's say, for example, you're feeling very lazy, right? So let's say you're feeling very lazy. Do you know that you can just upload it to ChatGPT, right? So let's say you upload it to ChatGPT, right? Now you can upload a totally different brand, which is like this yogurt. I'm going to upload this yogurt. Let me show you what the yogurt looks like. This is the yogurt. It's called Morango. I don't know. I've never heard of it. I just saw it on PNG Wind, right? Or PNG Tree. Now I want to convert this into this, and I'm going to use ChatGPT to do it. Then I'm going to finish it up on Photoshop. Crazy stuff. Now what you just do is recreate the first image. Now you can say replace the bottle. I'm alright typing. Replace the bottle with the second image and replace the is that wheat or what? The elements on the design to strawberry elements. Change the name under the bottle from I don't know how to pronounce. I don't know how to spell Heineken. Is it Heineken? Yeah, Heineken to Morango. All right, so let's. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be perfect, but I just need to show you the crazy things you can do on ChatGPT Plus. You'll be surprised at what it's going to generate. Like it's really amazing where AI is going to, and it's quite scary because at some point, how do we then differentiate? Not necessarily differentiate, but how do we put measures in place such that I know people have been complaining that yes, blah blah artists, AI would copy the the concept or the design of an artist, then replicate it into different kind of artwork. That's just one part of AI that is scary. The other part is, as designers, someone can literally go to your Instagram page, your Behance, or wherever it is, pick a particular design he or she likes, put it to Corel to ChatGPT, then bring in a different brand and tell ChatGPT to recreate that exact design that you did, but using that new brand. And ChatGPT is going to convert everything into that new brand. And there's no way you can claim it. I don't know how to explain it, but there's no way you can actually say this is my design, because it's actually not your design. The entire thing has been changed. Now, just for a refresher, this is exactly what we downloaded from Pinterest. You can see this is the Heineken bottle. The name Heineken is under the bottle. We have some elements of I don't know what elements are these. I don't know whether it is wheat or millet or something. I don't know, but this is exactly what we have. Now let's see what ChatGPT has created. This is what we have. See what it has created. Now he has written the name behind. The only reason why you can't see it is because the bottle is a bit big, but you can see that it has picked the style, the structure of this design, and it has converted it into this. Now imagine if I then say that reduce the size of the bottle so that the name behind it can be seen. Reduce the number of strawberry and add motion blur to the strawberry. Let's put subtle motion blur so that it doesn't just convert everything. So I'm going to let's see what it's going to do, right? Because again, this particular design, the bottle is not that big compared to the text. The bottle is almost the same length or height with the text, right? And that's why you can easily know that it's Heineken that is written there. So we're going to watch ChatGPT create that for us. All right, still waiting. As impressive as this is, it's also very, I mean, one would expect that AI would be used for more, I mean, it's important, but more important stuff like curing stuffs, making life easier. This makes life easier for graphic designers, but again, not in the way we would want it. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, not in the way we would want it. I don't want to just from the comfort of my house in few seconds create a masterpiece that someone like Leonardo da Vinci created during his time, right? I want to be able to like create something like that, but in my own style, in an easier way. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's just crazy what we can have now. But it's loading, just watch. Now you will notice that the images on the bottle is a bit deformed. That's where Photoshop comes in. You see that, I mean, it's clean, but it's a bit deformed. So you can use Photoshop to just tidy it up. You can see that the bottle is all red, but this is white, then red, then white. So all those ones can be done using Photoshop. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I can then write to ChatGPT that convert or turn the name Moringa to like 90 degrees, and it's going to just place it back just like it did in the first one, and we are good to go. So yeah, that's one very nice. Can you see how it looks very clean? Now imagine me taking this to Photoshop and just refining it and putting some text and stuff like that, and we are good to go. Very dope, very nice. So yeah, that's one way I noticed that you can be able to like get certain stuffs from Pinterest designs that you see online and just recreate it, then take it to Photoshop, do some edits, and you're good to go. So is this something you're going to be trying? What do you think about this particular feature of ChatGPT? I feel it's still in the beta phase, but I don't really think designers should really use this, because again, this is going to make you quite lazy, right? Yeah, you just pick any design online and just recreate using your own style, right? So yeah, one has to just be, as much as AI makes things easy for you, you don't want to always take the easy route. You have to understand the basics, the principles of designs and stuff like that. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to see you next time. Cheers.